The Falcon Lake cottages are Nygard's latest Manitoba properties to be sold. His Winnipeg warehouses were sold after 9 Nygard companies went into receivership last year. This is where Peter Nygard hosted lavish parties for his employees and friends. Now the multi-million-dollar cottage property at Falcon Lake sits empty, and the 79-year-old fashion mogul sits in jail. Nygard is at Headingley Correctional Center awaiting possible extradition to the U.S. for allegations he sexually trafficked women and girls over a 25-year period. American authorities say Nygard has been selling off assets and that for the past few months has sold $70 million worth of property in California. In February, his multi-million-dollar lakefront property in Falcon Lake was quietly offered up to a handful of people who already own cottages in the area and was tentatively sold last month. But before the deal could go through, both Nygard and longtime family friend and former Nygard company executive Tina Tullakorpi have to sign off on it. That's because Peter's mother named them as co-trustees of her cottage at Falcon Lake when she died in 2010. Last month, Tullakorpi filed an application in the Manitoba Court of Queen's Bench requesting removal from her role as trustee. In an affidavit, she wrote, "Rather than get involved in approving the sale of the trust property, I'd rather simply step down as a trustee. Peter is the sole beneficiary of the trust, and I have no interest in the property." A judge granted her request. CBC News is told a young software developer who knows Nygard through poker tournaments bought the cottages in Falcon Lake. It's not known how much he paid for the multi-million-dollar property. Nygard is the sole owner of the cottages, but leases the land from the province of Manitoba. Caroline Bargood, CBC News, Winnipeg.